Well, actor Salman Khan has kicked up quite a furore with a series of tweets questioning the death penalty handed down to 1993 Mumbai serial blast convict Yaqub Memon. Since then, the actor has in fact retracted his comments and offered an unconditional apology, but not before there were several protests outside his residence, especially by BJP workers. Many of them saying that his bail in fact should be cancelled and Salman Khan must apologize. Also, in fact, a new mercy petition has now been filed before the President of India by over 40 eminent citizens, asking the President to relook at the decision on Yaqub Memon's execution. Remember, it is scheduled to take place on the 30th of this month. Now, in that petition, these people have argued against the death penalty itself, also saying that Yaqub Memon had in fact cooperated with the Indian investigating agencies, that he is mentally unfit to be hanged, and they've also quoted the article written by the late B. Raman, who was a senior officer of the Raw and Analysis Wing and was heading their counter-terrorism division. In that article, Mr. Raman had in fact argued against the death penalty awarded to Yaqub Memon. All right, I'm told we can now go to my colleague Saurabh Gupta, who joins us from outside the residence of Salman Khan, where in fact there were massive protests taking place till just a short while ago. Saurabh, have all the protesters been detained? What's the situation like?
Well, the police did do an extremely good task in actually controlling the situation as soon as it happened. In fact, I am being joined by Mr. Kadam, who is the Assistant Commissioner of Police of Bandra Division. About 25 people have been detained so far, is what he's telling us. And he also says that the police were ready for the protest, and in fact they handled it immediately when the protesters arrived. Joining me now is Mr. Kadam, the Assistant Commissioner of Police of Bandra Division. Sir, well handled by the police, but you were prepared. How many people have been detained, sir?
First, let me thank you for giving compliments that we have handled it properly. You were there witnessing all this. So BJP Yuva Morcha came. We have rounded up around 50 to 20 people, and they came protesting against the actor who tweeted.
So how many policemen had to be deployed today outside the actor's residence?
Myself is there. No.
Including senior officers like you are here.
Myself is there. 5 inspectors and around 25, 30 policemen.
Right, sir. Sir, what are the arrangements being made now that the actor has already apologized? But is the security cover that was beefed up this morning after the tweets going to remain round the clock today?
No, I don't know. I'm here on the road. I don't know what is happening outside because I have not seen television. But yes, sure, we will be keeping a vigil here because you know these people, people from outside Mumbai, they come here, they assemble every day. At any given time, you will find 50 to 100 people here.
His fans mostly.
So they are there. So that is why then there is a traffic jam because the people they try to come on the road to see the actor's face. So that's why always police vigil is there here.
Right. All right, so thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. Tough day for you as well, given that you managed to control those protests in a promenade like this here, which is a prime promenade. So, but given that one of the arguments is that, of course, the Bandra police has been guarding this place for many days. But now that the actor has made such comments, I mean, does it leave a bad taste?
Let us not comment on this. Law will take its own course.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Thank you so much for speaking to us, sir. Well, Mr. Kadam there actually saying that about 25 policemen and senior officers like him all on the ground going to stay here to ensure that there are no more protests, and if there are any more protests, then those too would be handled in the manner that they've handled this one by the BJP Yuva Morcha. Around 25 people, he says, have been detained. The BJP Yuva Morcha protest took place right outside the actor's house here at Bandstand in suburban Bandra. It's a promenade that's quite busy, and of course there was a traffic jam because of those protests, and also the fact that a host of film stars live here, and a lot of Salman Khan fans also hover around this place, hoping to catch a glimpse of the actor. Right now, the BJP protesters have left. The situation is under control, but the police still here maintaining vigil outside actor
Right.
Salman Khan's house.
Right, well, things returning to normal outside the actor's house, but clearly Salman Khan is in the eye of yet another storm over his controversial tweets defending Yaqoob Memon and questioning the death penalty handed down that has been awarded to him, which is in fact scheduled to be carried out on the 30th of this month. Since then, the actor has retreated his tweets and offered an unconditional apology.